What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're gonna put to the test 10 more kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. This one is pretty cool. This is a CO2 bottle opener with a needle right here. There's a needle and there's a CO2 cartridge. They're refillable, probably will last a while, and there's a little hole. Whoa, that's a lot of air just popped out. So just put it into the cork and push it all the way. The needle will be inside here with the air bubble, and just push. Boom! How cool is that? And then just remove that. Wow, that's an expensive cork too, not that plastic cork, and it worked really well. Amazing. Doesn't take a lot of space, very nice, and cartridge replacement super easy. Got right here pretty unique infuser. So there's all takes apart for washing, but let's open it and add on coffee in there. And then all we have to do is cover it up, and then we're going to put it in a cup, boiling water in there, just like that. And it can work with tea or coffee, and just like that, start pumping, and the air will come out. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it will look like a boiled. As you can see, it's harder to push now. All brewed up, and now we have really good coffee. Very unique. And then once we're done, just squeeze it one more time to get all the coffee out, all the liquid out from there, and so it does not drip. I can put it to the side, put it in like this, and now it's not going to drip. I can wash it later. This is right here a little top pull opener. You just grab it like that and open it. Super easy, as you can see. Just grab it, pull it, and it can lid flies away. Not sure if it can open with this one. Nope. So that's why we need another gadget for that one. Let me get it out. Is this one, this little pull tabs. You have nails, long nails. You cannot open this. You just slide it in like this. It locks in. Boom. Open it. Close it. Ready to go. This side here, fun little gadget. Let's open it up. See what it's all about. It's like a banana stuffer. Okay, take this off. Put this in, and then slide this on. I'm gonna use jam this time. See if it will work with jam. Put a little bit of jam in there. Wow, that's not even that much. Of course I'm making a mess. Okay, now this is loaded and ready to go. We need to get the banana thing going. So first of all, let's open this a little bit and then try to find some kind of straight banana and then straighten it out. And then what we're going to do is slice it right to the middle and kind of twist it with the banana. Don't get too big of banana. This one is perfect. As you can see, it's kind of flattened it out. Beautiful. Oh, I think I'm supposed to take this out. Oh well. And then remove that, and then use this to push the banana core out. That's beautiful. Obviously that's edible too. And then what we're going to do, simply put banana to the same hole. In super easy gadget. And then we don't even have to, oh no, kind of like let it out, exploded a little bit. Oh well, but it's super cool. I just put too much, you know, too much pressure on it. The moral of the story, yes, it made a little mess, but what kind of cooking with a little bit mess, without a little bit of mess? And then look at that. Every time we gotta take a bite of a banana, jam in the middle, all the way to the back. How cool is that? Here's a cool little gadget. Will work with the wide mouth jars or like any cup. Look at that. And now I have a lemon juicer. Super easy. So all we need to do is cut the lemon. There you go. And let's see if it works. This is quite unique. And I like it that we can infuse water or whatever. Ooh, this is nice. Look how much lemon it's working with. And you know what I just realized? It will probably work with orange juice easily too. Just stand it right into the cup or mug. But if you need some lemon juice for cooking, whatever, could do this as well. But yeah, probably will work with orange as well. easy. Any kind of citrus, I guess. This is nice. Boom. And then, oh, it's stuck. Oh no. No, it's not stuck. But it would have been twist off. All I have to do is just twist it. And there's a lot of lemon juice. Very cool little gadget. Good idea. And wow, actually hold up all of the seeds. That's a lot of seeds. I don't see any seeds in there. I got it here, new upgraded can opener. So first of all, it can spin. You see, I can do the twist off motion because it has the teeth. So just line it up and twist it. Super easy. Also there's a magnet and a regular bottle opener. Boom. And the magnet will catch the cup, which is kind of cool. And let's say we're going to plug it in after we drink some of it. Lock it like this. Shake it. And it's bubbling. Whoa. So as you can see, it's really holding the pressure. Really good still. So you can actually use a little bit and like maybe half of it and put the rest in the fridge with this little cover. Keep the fizz. Just cool. This side here, a coffee store, tea store. Put some coffee in here. That's it. Put boiling water in. This little spoon. I do want to try some coffee. There's better stores. This hole's unfortunately too big. Doesn't work. Maybe it will work with the tea leaf. So let's call it a thick leaf for the tea store, not for coffee. And one last gadget might be the best one. Coffee infuser bag. So it's like a tea bag. Put it over on the cup like this. And also I can open it as well. So it could be poured over, or it could be one of this, like a tea bag. If you open it and now it becomes pour over. And then just slowly, that smells good. And the cool thing is like you can do it slowly, or you can put it in here and kind of let it sit on as well. Kind of both ways you can do. And if you, like I said, if you want to get it much stronger, you just sit it in a boiled water for a minute. It sits there so well. I love it. There you go. One last time. There you go. The water is touching it. Now you can let it sit in the water just like that and make it much stronger. Beautiful. And once you're done, just simply lift it and then close it and stir in it a little bit and good to go. I love it. Look, it's not even dipped much. Oh, a little bit more. Super cool. Just discard it. You got right here a nice cup of coffee. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.